In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply beautiful skin colors to your skin using Snapseed. So please watch this video till the end. I'm choosing this image for instance. To apply color effects, go to Tools and select Double Exposure. Here, choose the image of the color effect that you want to apply to the portrait. Now, go to Blending Options and choose Overlay. And then adjust the opacity slider. When it's done, press the tick button. Now, touch the upper button and go to View Edits. Here, select Double Exposure and then choose the brush tool. Now, paint over the skin of the portrait. You can use up and down arrows below to adjust the opacity of the effect. 100 means the opacity is 100% and 0 means the opacity is 0%. When it's done, press the tick button. In this way, you can apply beautiful color effects to your portrait using Snapseed. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe. This is Kumar Amiye and you're watching Tech Pirate.